Respected principal, vice principals, my colleagues, and dear parents. In spite of COVID 19, children wanted to express their feelings for their mothers on Mother's Day. For this, they have worked hard according to the guidelines of our vice principal, Mrs. Sonali Seth. So, here we are presenting a short token of love from them. There have been many philosophers and preachers in the past who have often compared the character of a mother with that of God. And it is indeed true that germinates a powerful bond of love between you and your mother. Mother's Day is a celebration which is one of the favorite occasions, particularly of the children. On this day, they celebrate their mother's love. A mother is the emblem of love, and she selflessly showers upon all the affection she has on her children. She is the person who, without the intention of getting anything in return, sacrifices all her needs and wants just to get their children's need get fulfilled. Without the presence of mother, our own existence would not have been possible. Dear parents, if the conditions had been normal, we would have celebrated it in a remarkable way like all other years. But nothing could kill the spirit and enthusiasm of children. And they send us different videos celebrating Mother's Day at home. So let us share their feelings with all of you. Thank you.
उसके रहते जीवन में कोई गम नहीं होता, ये दुनिया साथ दे ना दे, पर माँ का प्यार कभी कम नहीं होता. A very good morning to my honorable principal, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Kirti Raghav, studying in class 8 and I am from Children's Academy. Today, I would like to talk about Mother's Day and what makes my mom special to me. Mother's Day first began in US in 1872. Thanks to the work of Anna Jarvis, Mother's Day became a national holiday in 1914. In America, children celebrate Mother's Day by making breakfast and giving gifts to her. My mom is special to me because she loves me, she cares to me, listens to me when I need to talk, and always knows how to cheer up me. Everything she does makes her special to me. At last, I only wanted to say, please respect your mothers, because someone says that God could not be everywhere, therefore He made mothers. Thank you very much.
Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. This is Kirti Singh of Standard 8. I am going to recite a poem on Mother's Day. Thank you, Mom, for keeping me close to your earth. Thank you for never allowing me to fall apart, but most of the thank you for drying my tears. Thank you for teaching me how to be strong. Thank you for showing me what is right or wrong. I fell down and nowhere to go. You held me near your earth and called it as your home. When the whole world let me down and left us straight, you told me that there is a tomorrow, comes a new day. Thank you, Mom, for carrying me until I was born. Thank you, Mom, for saving me from fire and pain. You walked me through the wounds of rain and heaven in your feet. I know that your heart will always meet. Thank you, Mom, for everything. Thank you and have a nice day and very happy Mother's Day.
Hello friends, I am Anushka Sharma. I will sing a song for my mom on Mother's Day. तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। ये जो दुनिया है ये बन है कांटों का, तू फूल वाली है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। दुखन लागी है माँ तेरी अखियाँ, दुखन लागी है माँ तेरी अखियाँ, तेरे लिए जागी है सारी सारी नदियाँ। ओ मेरे निंदिया पे सुन अपनी निंदिया भी तूने डाली है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। अपना नहीं तुझे सुख दुख कोई, अपना नहीं तुझे सुख दुख कोई। मैं मुस्कुराई तो मुस्काई, मैं रोई तो रोई। ओ मेरे हंसने पे, ओ मेरे रोने पे तू बलिहारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। किस्मत वाले वो बच्चे की माँ होती है, तू कितनी सुंदर है, ओ कितनी शीतल है, न्यारी न्यारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। तू कितनी शीतल है, ओ कितनी प्यारी है, और तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ।
Everyone, I am Asta of class 70. Today I would like to share my thoughts on the occasion of Mother's Day. Let me wish a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers present here. A mother is a very important person in our life. She has done a lot for me and she is still doing it. She taught me to stand on my feet by holding my hands. She is my first teacher who explained me the valuable lessons of life. For me, my mother is Lotus, who brought me in this beautiful life. With this, I conclude my speech. I wish you all a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
चला morning to all of you. I am Kanika Negi of class 7th. Today I am present here to give you a speech on Mother's Day. Mother's Day is a celebration which is one of the favorite occasions, particularly for the children. Different countries celebrated Mother's Day on various days of the year. Today Mother's Day is celebrated more than 46 countries. In some countries the people celebrate Mother's Day in the month of March, but in our country the people celebrate Mother's Day in the month of May. On this day children show their mother love. A mother is the emblem of love, and she selflessly show upon all the affection she on her children. She is the person who, without the intention of giving anything in return, she sacrifice all their need and want just to fulfill their children need. The mother take care of us when we were sick. Mother feel us better when we are upset. Mother love us. Without the presence of mother, our own existence would have been not possible. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanchita Pandey and I am studying 7th standard. I am from Children's Academy. First of all, I wish all the mothers a very happy Mother's Day. I am going to speak few lines on Mother's Day. God has the form of mother on earth. If there is any most precious person in the world, then it is the mother. There is no difference between God and mother. Both are always with us. God has given us the greatest strength of the world as a mother. God cannot be everywhere, so He created mother. Over all unhappiness, the heaven is at the feet of the mother. Ma, the word Ma has the power to forgive even after making millions of mistakes. Mother can do anything. Mother can do anything for the success of her children, living her own dreams. At last, I will say that mother blessings are always remain with her children. Once again, a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Nandini Sharma of class 7th. On this occasion, the beautiful afternoon, I am here to talk about Mother's Day. Of all the relationships that we have, the mother that we hold first. The most divine relationship. First one that we have, Mother's Day, dedicated to the celebration and appreciation of motherhood. Mother's Day is celebrated on the worldwide on the second Sunday of the month of May every year. It is a honor of the day of month every year. It is a honor of the role and influence your mother have in the society. This day was a result of the initiative taken by Anna Jarvis in the early year 90s. This day is often popularly also as Mother's Day. But there are also other days dedicated to their mother in different local cultures. However, today Mother's Day has become a commercial holiday. This tradition is this including wishing mother not just for birth, mother but also other women that plays a unique role. I would like to end my speech with small request on my behalf with the spirit of motherhood to respect the cherishhood, but this does not require to give an expensive gift. It need a genuine appreciation and love with your mother, with you have giving them something close to their heart, reflect their them, show this that we also celebrate Mother's Day in other way. Bye, Nandini Sharma. Thank you and have a nice day, guys.
To all of you, I am Ritika of class 7th A. As you all know, today is Mother's Day. On this movement, I'll say few lines on Mother's Day and a poem on Mother's Day. Today it is a day when children give presents, flowers and homemade cards to their mothers. Mother's Day in the United States is an annual holiday celebrated as the second Sunday in May. Children of all ages treat their mothers to something special on this day each year. To this, I want to give my poem. Bearing pain, she gives the birth to bring the life on this earth. She does so much as a mother, rarely done by any other. Her blessing fall down as rain. None can match in terms of gains. The heaviest burden the God has lifted by sending mother the best it gifted. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am Stuti Goyal of class 6B. Today I am here to perform a dance on Mother's Day. Thank you and happy Mother's Day.
A very good morning to all present here. My name is Ishika Chaudhary of School Children's Academy. Today I am here to say few lines on Mother's Day. Every year Mother's Day is celebrated to honor mothers and motherhood. It is celebrated on the second Sunday of May. Every year is celebrated to celebrate this day in particular manner. The mothers are invited to her children's school. With many programs, teacher has prepared lots for Mother's Day. Some students prepare a poem in Indian and English languages. Some prepare a few lines of speeches. On this day, the mother goes to her children's school and involved in this festival. It is celebrated in different ways and days in different countries for mothers. The teachers and the students decorate their classes to welcome mothers. Also in India, it is celebrated on the second Sunday of May. The children invited their mothers to a special card made by children herself at the right time, and their mothers are surprised by giving unexpected gifts by their children. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to one not present here. My name is Sneha Joshi of class 8B. Today I am standing here in front of you to tell my views on the topic Mother's Day. Mother's Day is celebrating on the second Sunday of May every year. In this day, we celebrating the motherhood and the humor of the mother. From the past few years, we celebrated this day as a cultural day. A mother is the adorable person in the world who loves her kids so much, but she wants nothing in the returns. Therefore, we dedicated this day. And the kids are also excited in this day because they do so many things for their mothers. Like they do helps in the mothers for washing clothes and also in the household things. They bringing gifts for their mothers, and malls and restaurants are so many offers in this special day. The children are very excited, but without children, the mothers are also excited because there are so many offers of gifts, parties, and so on. So many things that they will like. And this day was dedicated and introduced by Anna Larvis. Anna Larvis' mother was an atheistic activist, and when she died, Anna Larvis makes the Mother's Day in his memory. Thank you.
उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे, गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मेला सा लागे जहाँ, आई उरी ए ओ आहा, आंखें दिखाई मुझे जब जिंदगी, याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुस्से की, डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह, क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह। माथा गरम है सुबह से मेरा, रख दे हथेली नमा, तूने कुछ खाया देर से क्यों आई, कोई ना पूछे यहाँ, आई उरी ए ओ आहा। है मुझे.
A very good morning to all my teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to perform a speech on Mother's Day. Mother's Day is the celebration which is one of the favorite occasions of all the children. On this day, they celebrated their mother's love. A mother is the emblem of love, and she selflessly showers upon all the affection she has on her children. She is the person who, without intention of getting returns, sacrifices all her needs and wants for their children's needs get fulfilled. Thank you.